Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make vegetable soup without onion and garlic, only way. Start by washing and chopping your vegetables and measuring stock. Use carrots, celery, leeks, mushrooms, and tomatoes to build a flavorful base. Boost savory depth with soy sauce, miso, or tomato paste instead of alliums. Simmer gently to meld flavors and taste for seasoning as you go, finishing with fresh herbs and an acid splash. Begin by sautéing carrot, celery, and leek in oil until soft and slightly caramelized to create a flavor foundation. Stir in chopped mushrooms or a spoon of miso for deep savory notes without onion or garlic. Add tomato paste and cook briefly to concentrate flavors, then pour in stock and simmer. Taste and adjust salt, herbs, and a splash of lemon or vinegar to lift the final bowl. Roasting carrots, tomatoes, and mushrooms before adding them to the pot creates natural sweetness and a richer soup. Keep the simmer gentle for 20 to 30 minutes so flavors meld without breaking vegetables down too much. If you prefer a smooth texture, blend part or all of the soup with an immersion blender and then reheat gently. Adjust seasoning at the end, adding a little acidity or salt to sharpen the profile.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.